I've had work done inside and out.
My wife and I have been using them for about 4 years.
Within an hour, they were at my house.
By that afternoon, we had a brand new hot water heater installed.
They're always on time.
They were very professional.
They come out when they say they're going to.
They made it very easy.
Very neat in appearance.
Well, I just wanted to thank you and tell you how much my mom appreciated you guys in her time of panic. When her water pipe broke, she had absolutely no idea what to do, so she called me out of all people, right? And I live so far away, and even if I knew what I was doing, I wouldn't be able to get there in time. So I found you guys and gave you a call. Got there in absolutely no time at all. She keeps ranting and raving about it. She keeps telling me how you even gave her a discount. How cool is that? I wish that other businesses out there were as trustworthy and reliable as you guys. And I just wanted to say thank you so much for being there in my mom's time of need. We really appreciate it. And I'm happy to make this video for you and tell future customers how amazing you guys are.